Right guys, thank you for joining us here again at Black Stag Styling. Always a pleasure to have you along for the ride. We have in with us for the next couple of days a lovely 2019 reg Audi Q8 S-line quattro in the grey, so in a lovely colour already. We have a full gloss black Maxton kit going on this little baby and a new front grille, but we are going to get it into the workshop where Adam is going to talk through all the little bits and pieces with you, show you the parts, then we'll get started with fitting everything on. So like and subscribe to the channel, keep watching, we'll get this baby in the workshop. Let's go!
Right, so we've got the Audi Q8 in the workshop, ready to fit all the Maxton body kit on it. We've got obviously the full Maxton body kit, plus a lovely gloss black front grille to go on as well. I mean, starting from this end, we've got two spoilers going on this. Put my cup of tea down.
Oh, nice and casual.
We have the lower spoiler, which goes on sort of the middle of the rear tailgate. We then got the top spoiler, goes on the top of the tailgate.
Nice, nice, very nice.
And then keeping with the rear, let's stay with the rear, shall we? So we've got the rear diffuser going on.
Lovely. Quite a big one on this, isn't it?
It is quite a big one. Quite a
large one.
Yeah, quite a big one.
Little fins in the middle.
Little fins
diffuser
in the middle.
Sections.
Yeah, coming back to the front, we've got the front splitter. It's upside down now. Let me turn upside down. Right way out. No, that is the right way out. There you go. So that is the front splitter.
Yeah, nice.
Pretty cool looking. A lovely quality, all these parts. The Maxton parts, really good, nice, thick, quality plastic parts. Not like other cheaper brands out there, you know. And then we've got the two side skirts as well. Two side skirts to go on.
Lovely, lovely. Yeah, they're pretty smart, aren't they?
Yeah.
Fair old size, them ones.
And then we have, as mentioned earlier, the gloss black grille to go on.
Yeah, I see that. That's nice as well.
Yeah.
Tie it all in well together, won't it?
That's it, mate. Yeah. But we'll crack down. Obviously, that's all being bonded on as well as mechanical fixings. But yeah, we'll get it all on there.
Superb.
We'll give you a little video throughout, shall we?
We'll let you finish your cup of tea.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Right, just before we start what we're doing on the styling side of things, what are we up to, Tommy?
Just giving it a little scan, a little diagnostic scan, just to make sure that everything is all cushy before we get started. So, you know, check it before it comes in, see if there's any issues, and then give it a post scan afterwards on the way out, see if it's got any issues.
Superb. Make sure we don't have any problems before we get started.
No, it's kind of a nice thing for the customers to have, and for us as well, as a bit of peace of mind. So
fantastic, right? Yeah. And we all well. I don't think we've gone fully into it yet, but looking okay at the moment.
Looking fine. Looking fine.
Superb, pal. Superb. And then we're going to get cracking with stripping some bits off it. Right, so the guys are now removing the bumper off the Audi. This is so we can safely remove the grille and install the new grille, of course. Definitely on all the modern cars now, it's not for the faint of heart. Nice little wiggle there, Bill. Nice little wiggle. Not for the faint of hearted. You definitely need two people and lots of different tools. Because on all the modern stuff now, nothing is designed to be done by the general public. They want you to go back to the main dealer. But of course, just come and see us. We can do it for you.
Look at it, man.
He's got it.
That's having a bath now.
So I've had to disconnect the washer jet pipe for the headlamp washers and then get it on the old trestle. There we go. And get that grille out and the new one on. just doing some little prep here. So the back of the Audi. This is just getting it all ready. I guess you've all done your alignment, mate?
Yep, all alignment, and then I've gone around it, drawn on the panel, so I know where to go up to, so I don't go too far.
Fantastic. There we go, and then all prepped, ready to get the rear spoiler on.
Yeah.
I think we've already marked up for the lower diffuser. I'll just get down there and just about see. Fantastic. So we'll be getting that on shortly as well. Lovely.
Yeah.
Right, here we go, test fitting the front splitter. Go for it, gentlemen. We're just test fitting it before, obviously it's bonded on there. They'll be doing their marks in a moment once they've lined it all up, make sure it's all good. Normally with all the Maxton stuff we're fine, so we shouldn't have any problems. We have the new grille in. That is all now in there. That was a bit fiddly. Definitely a don't try this at home one, wasn't it? Right, so Bill's now going to get the primer on. Oh, going to get the primer onto the splitter. And then after the primer it will be down to the bonding agent. And then getting it onto the car. We've got metal fixings as well, haven't we, Bill?
Yeah, we've got some metal fixings to go on, just to give it that extra secureness, especially when it's dry as well.
Yep. And of course our bonding agent, along with the primer, will make sure it doesn't go anywhere. This is quite a big splitter, so it doesn't really, you know, just want the metal fixings. The bonding agent will just help it, stay nicely in position.
Won't go anywhere.
And look a bit better as well.
Oh, yeah.
Get it out.
This is the front.
Hope so, otherwise I'll put it on piss and back round.
Right, here we go. Time to get the front splitter all on. There we go. Look. Make it look even more monstrous from the front than it was already.
Sorry, just check these two corners here.
In a little bit.
Right, just getting the bonding agent on the last little spoiler. There we go, Bill's getting that on now.
Get it on.
He's getting it on. And then onto the car. And that is the last Maxton spoiler to go on.
Oh, we're a bit low on it. Okay, you want to come up? You want to come up and all? You want to shut up?
guys, that brings us to the end of another one of the videos on our lovely channel here at Black Stag Styling. Hopefully you've enjoyed this one. This has been one of our Maxton Design installs. Pretty much a full kit on this one, on this lovely Audi Q8 S-line, quattro of course. Lovely in the grey, but the customer just wanted to add a little bit more styling just to make it a little bit different. And Maxton is the perfect option when you don't want to go too crazy with the old budget. Good quality parts, or really good quality parts, good to fit and look the part when they're all done. So on this one we have, we'll start with the grille because the customer has supplied his own grille. We can get these grills, but it is a customer who supplied that, and we've taken all the bumper off as you've seen and fitted it. But going on to the sort of the Maxton parts, which is the most important bits, we have our lower front splitter. So as you've seen, this has been fitted, test fitted, bonded, everything onto the car, and is now all on. Then we move to the side skirts. So we have our gloss black side skirts, again all fitted and bonded onto the vehicle, just adding a nice touch to the side of the car. Okay, and then on the back of the car, of course, we have our lower gloss black diffuser that we have fitted and bonded on as well. So we'll give you a little look at this. And then of course we have our two spoilers, just adding that nice gloss black finish to the vehicle. So we have then one on the top of the boot lid and one on the middle, again just adding that nice final little touch. So hopefully you have enjoyed watching the video. We have enjoyed doing it, so hopefully you've had as much fun as us. Don't forget, check out some of the other videos on the channel. Like and subscribe, of course, and turn your notifications on. We'll give you a last look around the car to finish, and we'll catch you again soon for some more videos. Take care. Bye-bye now.